Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. We are jumping right back into our smoothie bowl series, and I'm so excited because it is officially time for Christmas smoothie bowls. Over the next few weeks, I'm gonna be posting some of my favorite holiday-inspired smoothie bowls, so if you're excited about Christmas smoothie bowls, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to the best family ever. Before we get going today, drop a comment and leave a suggestion of what Christmas or holiday-themed smoothie bowl you wanna see, and maybe I'll make it. Today, we're kicking it off with a good one. I'm so excited to show you this recipe. This is the hot chocolate smoothie bowl. Hot cocoa is one of my favorite drinks during the holiday season, and I feel like when it's cold outside, there is nothing better than holding a nice warm mug of hot cocoa. And so this smoothie bowl today is inspired by this classic Christmas drink, and the best thing about it is the ingredients are very simple. So let's get to it. Okay, first things first, you all know by now that we start with our liquids because we want the softest things touching the blades. We're just gonna add a little bit. You can always add more liquid, but you can't take away. So I recommend starting with about 1/4 of a cup. If you haven't seen my smoothie bowl tutorials and you're trying to get better at making your smoothie bowls, check out my smoothie bowl playlist. I linked all of my tutorials where I walk step by step how you make a smoothie bowl and tips on how to get them super thick. Next thing, the base of this smoothie bowl is going to be frozen bananas because that helps it get extra creamy. So I have 2 frozen bananas here. I'm just going to break them up. You can cut them up before you freeze them, but I like to keep them whole because then I can tell how many bananas there are, and it's really actually kind of easy to break them up once you're putting them in the blender, so I just do that, and there they are. Our next ingredient is frozen riced cauliflower. If you're an OG, you know that I always use frozen riced cauliflower in my smoothie bowls, and if you're new to my channel and don't know what the heck I'm doing and think, that's so weird, why is she using riced cauliflower? It doesn't taste like anything, really. The riced cauliflower is really great because it makes your smoothie bowl bigger and thicker, but it doesn't add any more sugar. So I always like to add a little bit of this into my smoothie bowls, but it's totally optional. Okay, next ingredient. Because this is a hot cocoa smoothie bowl, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and just a little bit of cinnamon. I just started watching Once Upon a Time, and Snow White always puts cinnamon on top of her hot chocolate, which I had never tried before, but I did it the other day, and it low-key leveled up my hot chocolate. So you should definitely try it, but this little bit of cinnamon that we added, it's about 1/2 teaspoon, is inspired by Once Upon a Time. Next, we're gonna add just a little splash of vanilla for flavor. And then, because I always put mini marshmallows on top of my hot cocoa, I thought it would be fun to put a little bit of marshmallow cream in. This is definitely more of a snack or treat smoothie bowl, but we're just gonna add maybe like a spoonful of marshmallow cream. Y'all, I'm so excited for the holidays. Leave a comment and let me know if you have any fun family Christmas traditions. I love seeing what y'all do. My sister and I always make a gingerbread house every year, and it usually goes really terribly and it doesn't look very great, but it's such a fun tradition because we've done it ever since we were kids, and it's just the best thing. Okay, last things last, we're gonna add a scoop of chocolate protein powder. Protein powder is always optional, but I always add it into my smoothie bowls because it makes it more of a complete meal. That way it's not just a bunch of carbs and sugar, and it also helps keep me full throughout the day and really helps build muscles from all that hard work I do when I work out. This 310 Nutrition protein powder is my favorite because it doesn't upset my stomach and it has a really good flavor. My favorites are the chocolate and vanilla, and this is the last month that you can use my code. So I've linked it in the description box below, but the code is NTN Shake. Nicole the Nomad Shake. You can get some protein powder. This is the last month that you can get a discount with my code, so be sure to get some if you want. They just came out with a chocolate mint flavor, which I'm so excited to try. I bet it's so good. Okay, doke. I think we're ready to blend. Yo, this looks amazing. Y'all, in just 1 month, my custom line of coconut bowls is coming out. We have a Nomad line of coconut bowls that I'm gonna be selling, and they come out in January. I hope you're excited because I just got pictures of them from the manufacturer last week, and they look so good. While I was decorating this smoothie bowl, my apartment fire alarm went off. And of course, by the time I set everything else up to film out here on the patio, it turns off. So we're just gonna do a little change of scenery today for our taste test, okay? This, my friends, looks so good. I've got a big spoonful right here. You get the first bite, as always. I cannot wait to dive into this. Oh. Yep. Oh, it's Christmas time, baby. Yo, that cinnamon is such a nice touch. You know what this reminds me of? The frozen hot chocolate from Serendipity in New York. But honestly, better, because I know it's gonna keep me full and not make me sick after I eat it. Ooh, and with the fudge, this is so good. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about Christmas smoothie bowls. Please comment below any suggestions you have for holiday or Christmas themed smoothie bowls. We're about to crank them out in these next few weeks. I'm so excited. I hope you liked this video, and if it made you smile, give it a big thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and join the Nomad family. I love y'all so much. I'm so happy you're here, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.